Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis World. Today I am going to show you how to make tasty and quick Chettinad chicken fry along with Chettinad Masala, which provides best flavor to our chicken fry. This tasty recipe goes pretty well with rice as well as roti or just as a starter. So shall we start making our tasty chicken fry? Friends, believe me, this yummy and juicy chicken fry will make your day very special. So, do try this recipe and don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.